Episode 15 Xavier's Influence on Education. Hello everyone. In today's episode, we delve into the profound influence of St Francis Xavier on education. Xavier, known for his remarkable missionary work, was also a pioneer in establishing educational initiatives, leaving a lasting impact on modern educational systems. Xavier's contributions to education. St Francis Xavier, beyond his missionary zeal, understood the importance of education in fostering spiritual growth and societal development. He established numerous schools and educational initiatives during his missionary journeys. Establishment of schools. Xavier's dedication to education led to the founding of several schools in the regions he visited. These institutions were pivotal in disseminating knowledge and fostering a deeper understanding of Christian teachings. Emphasis on literacy and learning. Xavier recognized the transformative power of literacy and learning. His schools emphasized not only religious education but also practical skills, literature, and a wide range of subjects beneficial to the community. Xavier's educational approach integrated cultural understanding and religious teachings. He aimed to impact knowledge in a way that resonated with local customs and traditions, ensuring the acceptance and understanding of the Christian faith. Enduring impact of Xavier's educational initiatives. The educational foundations laid by Xavier have had a lasting impact on modern educational systems. His approach to holistic education, cultural integration, and emphasis on character formation remains an inspiration. Xavier's educational initiatives weren't solely focused on academic subjects, but also placed a significant emphasis on moral and ethical teachings, fostering character development and integrity. The legacy of Xavier's educational work persists through the principles of holistic education and the integration of spiritual and moral values into the learning process. These principles are still valued in contemporary educational models. Influence on modern schools and educational systems. The impact of Xavier's educational initiatives is visible in modern schools and educational systems. His vision of education as a tool for personal and societal transformation continues to inspire educational reforms. St. Francis Xavier's contributions to education were far-reaching and continue to influence modern educational systems. His establishment of schools, emphasis on literacy, moral values, and cultural integration laid the groundwork for an enduring legacy in education. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's pioneering efforts in education remain a testament to the transformative power of learning and its role in shaping individuals and societies.